I am super excited to talk about Tailwind Ghostwriter. The affiliate link is in my description below. And yes, I've been compensated to actually make this video. I am super excited to bring it to you though, because this is something that's gonna save you time when you're writing your content for social media. If you haven't had a chance to try Tailwind, I'm gonna introduce you to something that is brand spanking new. It's called Tailwind Ghostwriter. Yes, you definitely heard it right. Tailwind is like the tool that feels like your own personal marketing team. So it's gonna ask you to put in a little description. So what I put in as just a test is start a business in 5 steps. And you know what it gave to me as a potential copy? It gave me all of this. Number 1, identify your target market. Begin by identifying the type of customers you want to reach. Consider their age, gender, income, and interests. What? Number 2, develop a unique selling proposition, and it goes on and on and on. Number 3, create a brand identity. Number 4, create a strategic marketing plan. Number 5, monitor performance. Now, I'm sharing these results with you, and yes, they may vary and may not be typical, but I want to show you exactly what this software is giving you. Now, you are going to absolutely love this. I just know, because it is AI that's supposed to sound like it's coming from you. It's supposed to sound natural. It's supposed to sound like it's coming from a place of where you would actually write it from. I encourage you to try it. I think it's fantastic. I know that this might be like, are we really needing AI for pins? Yes, we are, because it's gonna save you time and you're gonna do all of your pins in, I would say, half the time. So work on this. I know you can do it. It's super easy. And then tell me how you like it in the comments. I'll link below for you to try Tailwind, and definitely know this is going to help you write faster and write with more content so that you don't have to come up with it all on your own. By the way, this is an affiliate link, so just know that that is right there for you for your use right now. Take a moment to click the link in the description to start your plan today on Tailwind. I am an affiliate, so I do get some sort of commission if you do sign up, but that does not change the cost to you. You can start with their forever free plan or one of the other paid subscription plans. Definitely take a look at the Ghostwriter AI tool. You are going to love it.